So I'm thinking just as I go about men and women, and I suppose how they differ and how they work together. What I'm thinking is that it's not going to work. Women trying to compete with men in many fields of endeavor. It's simply not possible, and women will be disappointed and frustrated that they're not able to do the same things that men do, to the same quality, the same energy. And this is because fundamentally men and women are different and their roles in life are very different. And so women trying to do the same things as men in general is kind of ridiculous. It's a bit like a skinny guy trying to do the same things that a fat guy does, or the other way around. The structure of a man and the structure of a woman are fundamentally different. So it will always come to nothing basically. Women's attempt to do the same things as men. And so women will be endlessly frustrated and feel that there's some sort of discrimination going on, some kind of unfairness, when really nature has set the rules and decided how the game should be played. And the role of women in the world is different to the role of men, and the abilities of women are different to those of men. In general, there is plenty of overlap, of course, but in general, men and women are very markedly different. I think it's a shame that women don't seem to appreciate this. Women seem to believe that the reason there is so much difference in the things that men and women do, and the reason that men display strengths in certain fields that are different to women, they seem to think this is born of discrimination and it happens because women are not given a fair shot in life. But I'm certain that this isn't the case. As I said before, I think nature has set the rules of the game, and women are not the same as men. And if women attempt to be the same as men, they will not succeed in general. Some women can do the same things as men to some extent, but in general, competition like that won't work. Women are designed differently in fundamental ways, and women are not the same as men and can't do the same things as men in general. I think women need to appreciate this and not see it as discrimination or unfairness in any way. It's more of a case that nature has set the rules of the game.